Welcome, it's denome. Imagine this. It is April 20th of 2023 and you see a new meme coin called Pepe. The market cap is $100 million and you think it's way too overvalued, nothing will come out of it, it will go to zero. But little do you know, the price of Pepe went from 100 million to $1.5 billion. So if you had invested $1,000 here, you would be now holding $15,000. Would you like to have that? Your answer is probably yes if you're watching this video, but what you don't want to have is you don't want to invest $1,000 here at the peak and then lose $800 when the market cap drops back to $300 million. Now, because you didn't invest in Pepe, you think that, okay, now the meme is dead, it will never pump again, but little do you know, the price of Pepe in 2024 went all the way to $6 billion, which is 20x. So if you had invested $1,000 here, you suddenly would have $20,000 here at the peak of 2024. So now you are thinking, okay, I missed two opportunities on Pepe. I will not miss the next meme coin. And this is what Memecoin Supercycle is about. So now in this video, I will show you a few tools that you can use to find meme coins, and I will talk about the Memecoin Supercycle and I will give some critique on the Memecoin Supercycle. So if you're interested in this topic, keep watching. There's a lot of content about Memecoin Supercycle now, but I didn't know about this until 2 weeks ago when this video suddenly popped up, which is the Memecoin Supercycle in the event called Token 2049 Singapore 2024. So if you're serious about investing in meme coins, you have to watch this video here because it lays out why meme coins are basically here to stay and why there may be a thing called Memecoin Supercycle. And now you can see a lot of influencers are jumping on the bandwagon and talking about this topic, including me, obviously. But there's a lot of good content here. There's good strategies here as well. One great strategy is from Box Mining. You need to prepare for Memecoin Supercycle 2025. Highly recommend watching this. He basically lays out a 3-step plan how to invest in meme coins and how to find undervalued meme coins. Very, very good video as well. In this video that I'm making, I will give out a few tools basically on top of this strategy here, and I will talk about another strategy also. But talking about the Memecoin Supercycle, maybe you didn't watch this whole video here. He basically lays out an idea here that all major altcoins have basically 3 pumps. You have your test pump, your mega pump, and your second mega pump. Ethereum had it, Solana had it, Doge had it, and other popular altcoins had it as well. And now when we take a look at Pepe, it's only had the first pump and the second pump, but it hasn't had a third pump yet. And that's why he's talking about the Memecoin Supercycle. And I will not talk about the whole video here, but practically speaking, why he's investing in meme coins is that there are no token unlocks. You don't have to worry about the project generating revenue for its holders. Most crypto projects, they don't even share any revenue. And if they share revenue, the good thing is that it creates a floor for the price, but it also creates a ceiling for the price. Whereas for meme coins, there's basically no ceiling for the price increase. Also, when we scroll down here with normal altcoins, you have your VC investors or venture capitalist investors before the token is actually launched. And when the token actually launches in a centralized exchange, it usually, the market cap is already $100, $200, $300 million. And from there, the retail investors obviously start buying, but all of these investors are dumping the token on top of you. And this has happened so many times that people are basically fed up with it. And this is not a strategy that retail investors can win on. So they are finding other ways to invest, and that's basically meme coins. And then he talks about the lack of religion. Meme coin culture is basically helping to fill that void, and he's talking about a lot of things why this meme coin supercycle is happening. And first when I was watching this, I'm like, nah, it doesn't make any sense. But after I watched the full 21 minutes, I'm thinking he actually has a point. And even though maybe Pepe doesn't do a third pump, I think there's still a lot of memes that will do a lot of pumps. So for example, when we go to dextools.io, let me actually go back here on the front page. You can see the daily gainers. You can see 50% gains, 140% gains, 20% gains. You can see a lot of winners, and practically every single day there are these 100-200% pumps that you can find on dextools.io. And this is, by the way, the number one tool that you will be using if you're investing in meme coins. And I will show you how to use this as well. But I do have some critique for the idea of Memecoin Supercycle. The number one is, sure, VCs will not dump on you, but other investors will. Because there's no mass adopters who will be buying the token from you. There's no venture capitalists that will buy it. No pension funds will buy your meme coin. It's simply a PvP battleground for traders. And also, I have to ask the question, at what expense are we making money with on meme coins? Because crypto originally stands for separating money from the government, having self-sovereignty, so you're not reliant on any banks. You are holding your assets in your own personal wallets. No one can confiscate those assets from you. You can transact regardless of borders across the planet with someone from Africa, someone from Asia, someone from Europe, and it's all seamless. But that kind of gets pushed aside when we talk about making money with meme coins. And that's kind of okay as well, because you can make money and you don't have to have that crazy ideal that me and maybe some other people have. Maybe you just want to make money. That's completely fine as well. Now, also I have a critique. Do not hold meme coins long term, especially small ones. Because if you're holding meme coins for long term, you have to understand the fact that all memes eventually die. For example, right now, you probably know the Michael Jackson popcorn meme. Sure, it's a meme right now, but 20 years from now, nobody will know who is Michael Jackson anymore. So the meme is not as funny. So eventually memes die or they become obscurely unpopular at some moment. So you don't want to hold meme coins long term. But there are some pros also not mentioned in any other videos, not even this one that I want to list here as well. New gainers and losers are happening every single day, like I showed you. Doesn't matter what is the price of Bitcoin, there are also especially small memes that can still pump and dump, so you can make money basically every single day of the year. And another good side is that you are not using leverage, which means that the money that you invest in meme coins, that is the money that you can also lose. Not more, not less, simply the money that you invest. So if you're investing in meme coins, I wouldn't invest all of my capital here. You probably want to have a system first and then implement that system. You don't simply want to hop on different memes, because you are trading against other investors here, which means that for somebody to be a winner, there also has to be a loser. So you have to have a system, and then if that system works, then you can increase the capital that you invest in meme coins. Like I said, there are gainers and losers every single day, so you do not have to FOMO into Pepe, thinking that, okay, Pepe is the meme that will beat every other meme, because maybe it will not have that third pump. Maybe it's better to invest into something else. That depends on your analysis and research. Talking about DEX tools and talking about the strategy that Box Mining is sharing here, this is the good idea that I think he had, is that they are not investing into new meme coins, which I'm kind of against, but they try to find old meme coins, and this is their strategy, that they kind of try to find out what is the bottom price of this meme coin, and they only invest into a meme coin when the price is at that level here. So for example, when you see Pepe going sideways for a long time, this is practically the time to buy the meme coin. Now, if Pepe would come back to this $400 million market cap or $300 million market cap, then it's probably a good idea to buy it again there, not to buy it here at the top, or when price has already gone up, hoping there will be a third pump. Because most meme coins, what they will do is that they will simply collapse to the same price level they were before. So this is a good idea that I would have regardless of your other strategy. I think this was a great idea. Another good idea that they shared is that they don't want to invest into any meme coins where token allocation is basically centralized into single wallets. So if you see single wallets holding more than 10% of the supply, then you don't want to invest into that coin. That kind of makes sense. You don't want to have centralized ownership in a meme coin. You want it to be decentralized. So that is another good thing here. Now, when we implement this in DEX tools, you obviously want to find good meme coins. So how you do it? Well, Box Mining shared that also. So they shared this one user on X. You can find other users as well, like Melometrics. and he shares meme coins that basically did multiple X's on any given day. So here's the strategy. The strategy is that you do not invest into coins that he's sharing on this day because he has a lot of followers. You probably want to look at a coin called Forest. So how you find it is you go to Dex Tools and you simply type Forest here on the search bar. And then you can see that, okay, this is trading on Solana. And when you click it, you can see that the market cap is currently $16 million, which is the same shown in this post here, so you can understand and know that you're actually investing into the right Forest token. Now, because the price, let me go to the 1 hour chart here, because the price of Forest is currently at a high, right? It's not at a low. You do not want to invest in this coin, but you want to have an alert when the price goes back to basically this price level here. Then you might want to invest into this Forest token once again. So not to invest here, but basically wait until the price is back here. So this is one strategy. You can also take a look at the amount of liquidity for this trading pair, $1 million. That's a healthy relationship compared to the market cap here. You can see a lot of holders, 5,200 holders here, and you can see other statistics here as well. And one key thing to look at here is we want to take a look at the holders. So again, you want to take a look at that this token is basically not centralized in the hands of a few people. Now you can also take this address here and use it on bubblemaps.io. And bubblemaps.io, it shows you how many tokens are basically centralized in any given token. So for example, Pepe, you can see Binance here, you can see OKX, you can see Revolut, Kraken, Binance, Gemini. You discount these exchange wallets because that is a good thing, because this simply means that it is being traded on these exchanges. What you want to look at is these individual wallets like this one, like this one, like this one. You don't want any of them to hold more than 10%. But this is Pepe. Unfortunately for Forest, you cannot find it here because it's such a new coin. It's not listed on bubblemaps.io yet. But for established meme coins, you can use this tool here. But for Forest, you simply have to go to the holders section and kind of scan if these wallets are actually related, because Bubblemaps, it establishes these relationships between wallets, and you can see clusters of wallets holding the asset. Here you cannot really see that, so you kind of just have to eye it and see it if it's centralized or not. I'm sure there are tools and somebody can help me point to that tool. I've seen it in the past, but I forgot the name, that can help you actually identify if these are a cluster of wallets or not. But there are ways to obscure it and hide the fact that you are actually holding 10 wallets for one person. So it's not 100% accurate, but you don't want to see centralized ownership here. Now, I have no idea if Forest is a good token or not. I'm not saying to invest here. I'm simply showing you that this is too expensive right now. And because it's just been mentioned here, you kind of want to wait it out. And then you want to see if the community is actually still alive and doing well. And then maybe when the price goes down here, then you maybe want to invest it into again. Another website is called Sunpump.meme, and these are simply for Tron Network meme coins. So here, just recently, there was a situation with Justin Sun, who is the creator of Tron Network. He became the prime minister of a land called Liberland, which is a real place on the planet Earth. It's between Serbia and Croatia. It's a very, very small country, and it's a piece of land there. So he became the prime minister of that piece of land. So what I did immediately after that is I typed in the word Liberland and I started finding these different meme coins. Here on Sunpump.meme, there was only one meme that was actually listed on Sunswap, because most meme coins, they don't reach the required market cap to actually be listed on Sunswap. So this was the only one that had enough liquidity here. So when I was looking at the price here, it was actually right here when I found it, 2.3. That's when I found it. So I invested a little bit capital here, and then the token went upwards of 700%. But now you can see the price is practically in the same price zone where I first bought it, And because that happened, you can see the price pumped like 40% afterwards as well. Now, I have no idea if this will pump again or not, because I don't know if the Prime Minister of Liberland has any sticking power or not. But what you can see here is the market cap is only $46,000, which is practically nothing. If you invest $1,000 here, you will probably move the market like 10% already. So it's quite easy to move this market, and you can see the amount of holders is 268, and unfortunately you see a huge percentage basically held by one single wallet here. So not the best meme coin, but this is kind of what you are looking for here. Just wanted to use this as an example because I was able to make money with this one, and because the price is basically a buy zone. So I'm not saying it's a good one. You have to analyze it yourself if the community is good enough for this one, if the stickiness of this meme is actually valid. Maybe Justin Sun, maybe he starts tweeting about Liberland again, so maybe this meme will pop up again. Could happen. It's all gambling practically. So I'm just showing you opportunities and kind of ways to how to use it. Now, I'm not currently really invested in meme coins myself. Maybe after this video I will start investing into this. I just kind of wanted to give you an idea how to do it. And finally, one more thing that I want to share, just a practical information, is that if you want to invest in these meme coins, what you need to do on dextools.io is you have to click connect wallet, and you have to have a phantom wallet if you're investing in Solana meme coins, and you probably want to have a Rabby wallet. I will link both of those in the description, and then you need to deposit some Solana in the phantom wallet, or if you're using the Sunpump.meme, then you need to have Tron Link, which is another wallet here, and you need to have the respective token to actually hold here. So TRX for Tron, Solana, Sol token for Solana, and obviously if you're investing into base coins or Arbitrum tokens or Polygon tokens, then you need to have the right token for that particular meme, which needs more focus, which I will not talk about in this video. But that's basically pretty much all you need to know to kind of get started, and some ideas on top of the box mining video that was shared here. Now, finally, before I let you go, I am affiliated with Bybit. So Bybit is the main exchange that I currently use to trade altcoins, as well as I do leverage trading here. If you use the referral code denome, you will get 10% fee discount. You have a lot of different markets here as well. Not all of the new meme coins are here, but older meme coins like Pepe you can find here. Dose is obviously here. The new one, Catty, is here. WIF is obviously here. And there's just an endless number of altcoins here to trade just on the spot market also. So if you want to use Bybit, make sure to use my affiliate link for that. That's pretty much everything I wanted to share in this video. Hope you liked it. Consider liking and subscribing to the channel. Thanks for watching, and bye bye.